Luminary Laser LF3015F Fiber Laser Cutting Machine. The laser head adopts nano-level dynamic focusing technology. High-quality laser control system. Real-time optimization of cutting paths. Magnetic buckle design. The laser head can be replaced with a simple push. 3-color indicator light. Real-time status prompt. Green running. Orange standby. Red alarm. Equipped with high-energy fiber laser. Cutting speed increased by 30%. Smart tool cabinet extends the life of accessories. Modular design allows for orderly management of spare parts. 3 gas connections allow for high-pressure gas. Intelligent control system. One-click import of complex graphics. High-quality core circuit components. Reduce maintenance costs. Laser cutting machine designed for efficiency. Dual circulation refrigeration system with energy-saving mode makes cutting more efficient and stable. Laser positioning, 10-second ultra-fast calibration. No need to manually align materials, just turn on and use. Fast and precise cutting, complex graphics cutting in one go. Fast cutting, smooth surface without burrs. Sharp corners without pauses or burrs. Double breakthroughs in efficiency and precision. Supports text or AI or CAD and other file formats. Whether it is the production of aerospace parts or the complex patterns of artworks, laser cutting machines can perfectly replicate, seamlessly connect imagination and productivity. From the core laser device to the intelligent control system. Luminary laser cutting machine with technological innovation. Redefining industrial boundaries. Contact me for a detailed quote.